every time.
Yeah, greetings, family and friends. Yeah, thank you for tuning to the Approach TV. It's your favorite Rasta man again, you know. Yeah, right now, Jamaicans I go hard right now, you know. Because Belize are kind of tighten up them travel requirements from Jamaica. Because Haiti usually have a agreement with Belize where Haiti can travel back and forth from Haiti to Belize. So the Haitians did not need a visa. So now the Haitians have lost their free travel back and forth, no visa requirements because of the turmoil that's been going on in Haiti. So I guess Belize is starting to safeguard their borders. Now Jamaicans have fallen into the same trap because Belize have now issued travel requirements for Jamaicans, which are requiring Jamaicans to provide proof of paid lodging before entering the country. So if you're planning to travel to Belize anytime soon from Jamaica or from Haiti, here's an update. The travel requirements for Belize for Haiti, you will need a visa because your free travel has been rejected now. No requirement of visa. Used to be the policy between Haiti and Belize. And Jamaica, you will need the proper documentation, and also you will need to provide prepaid lodging. You have to pay for your lodging before. Them now want you a come a Belize, come live on the beach. Them now want you come a Belize and a rob and thief. You are gonna take, and them definitely don't want you a Belize, a bleach like they teach. Listen, Belize is updating this information and me put it out because me don't want to go at a beautiful island and go try to mash it up. Them a try hold back some of the Haitian them from run over there freely because the music can travel back and forth freely with no visa. So Belize said, no, not at all, no more, neither. So, them say Haitians will require visa. Them never used to. Jamaicans will need to provide proof of paid lodging. You hear what I say? Don't be going over there and in Belize bush and be dodging. You don't have nowhere to stay. You never link up with nothing. You just buy a ticket and plan to go stay on the beach because you don't know say Belize nice and sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear what I'm saying? Anybody traveling from Haiti to Belize, anybody traveling from Jamaica to Belize, Rastaman they here update the travel requirement. Haitians will need to provide the proper travel documents, visa and ticket for board. Not just the visa. You need your visa for going into the country and your ticket. Jamaicans will need to prove that they have prepaid lodging. It appears that Belize have some people over there that just be passion. When I say passion, I mean them just a come place down themselves pan pure dirt. You are gonna thief what it worth. I sleep in a people cabin for free. I sleep in a people abandoned house and car. Listen, they don't want to have any homeless war. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen, here, The Approach TV, updating the travel requirements. You are going to from Jamaica, you will need to show prepaid lodging from Jamaica to Belize in order to enter the country. Haiti, updated, you will need to provide a visa, the proper travel documents to enter. Because Haiti didn't require visa before, but it seems like they're acting like they should not be acting. You argantee. So ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm going to make one of my next family member them talk to you. I want them to make me know if Jamaicans them act too rude, why Belize are tighten it up like that? Eh? Why Belize are tighten it up like that?
Big up the Deep Roots TV, Caution Sesame. Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youths. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro. Shout out Deep Roots TV.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jack Webby said that.
Log on to Deep Roots.